I had a dream that you were mine. You lit the flame right over the line. On my darkest day, like a balloon under the sea, I rose up from pressure beneath, so gloriously, uncontrollably, with it all cut off of me. I had a dream that you were mine. We made love on satin blue light from a window of moon. Just one touch, I felt you ignite. The rivers crossed and black turned to white, so joyfully lost all of me, with it all coming off of me. When I woke up, you were just a trace in my blood, salt from a crackling sea, charged electricity. When I woke up, you were just a trace in my blood, salt from a crackling sea, charged electricity. I had a dream that you were mine. You lit the flame right over the line. On my darkest day, like a balloon under the sea, I rose up from pressure beneath, so gloriously, uncontrollably, with it all coming off of me.